Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, some people have locks and they want a duplicate key and they want it to be cut to the exact specifications. What that means is we've got a whole heap of pins here which go into the lock, and each one of them has a number. So I'll put down some numbers for an example. Okay, now with your key, when it wears out, it's not going to be to that exact number. What can happen is, instead of it being a 1, you might be a 1.2, or you might be a 5.5, which means you're halfway between 5 and you're halfway between 6, or 1.2 means it's a bit clicky. So we offer the service where we cut it back using the computer, using the exact specifications, cutting it down so it marries up with the standard pins exactly. As you see the key gauge here, you can actually read the key and get the exact numbers and know exactly what you're after. Sometimes people are getting it from the back of the numbers here, sometimes they're getting it from the lock packaging. But we offer this service so that when you need a key cut exactly to the specifications, we basically do it. You order online, the link will be in the description, you give us the code, we'll cut you the key, and away you go. You'll have a guaranteed key cut to the exact specifications. So for this one here, if I was to measure it up and I'd say, oh look, that's not exactly right, I could get a perfect key and then match the rest of my locks to it. Sometimes when you've got a copy of a copy of a copy of a key, it's not exactly right. So for some people who like to DIY locksmith, you could actually measure the exact measurements and see how far out your key is and then do it that way. Or you might just be wanting to get an exactly cut key via computer so it's exactly what it should be. So yeah, you give us our number, it's either 5 or 6 digits. We then put it into the computer and then we cut it, and then basically when you're rebuilding your lock, you've got your plug here, you're rebuilding it, putting it in, what will happen is you'll get the pins will actually correspond as long as your lock is up to the right height, right type of lock. Some locks, they require the next size up pin, it's just the way they're built, but the code always remains the same. So yeah, if you want a key cut to the exact code, that's what it is. It's for house keys, for 5 or 6 pin, and it just basically allows you to be able to get a perfect key, so that at least then your key's perfect. If your keys are perfect, your pins are perfect, and your locks are perfect, you can match them all up quite easily without having any troubles. If one of them are not perfect, that's when you start having troubles. So it's a good idea. For $27.50, I think it is, we cut the key to code, and we just post it out to you. And then if you've got a pinning kit like this, you can use it, and everyone will be happy, and everything will line up, and everything will be good, and your locks will work nice and neat. Okay, thanks for watching.